Good morning. This is Femeline Dimasuay de la Puerta, your mathematics teacher. Okay, for today's lesson, we will multiply fraction. Multiplying the numerator, multiplying the denominator, and simplify the fraction. This is the process that we will learn how to multiply a fraction. 1/2 multiply by 1/3. The first thing you can do, numerator, which is 1 and 1, just multiply it. And denominator 2 and 3, just multiply it. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 times 3 is equals of 6. So, in multiplying fraction, we multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Okay? So take note of that. Another example, 5 feet multiplied by 1/2. So 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Then 5 multiplied by 2, the answer will be 10. So, the product of 3 feet multiplied by 1/2 is 3/10. Okay, how about multiplying fraction by a whole number? So, for an example, 2 multiplying by 3/4. Simply change the whole number to the fraction by make it a denominator of 1. So, ibig sabihin, si 2 magiging 2 over 1. Why it is denominator by 1? Because 1 is identity element. And any number that divide by 1, the answer is always itself. So, for an example for this one, 2 divided by 1, it's also itself, which is 2. Then, copy the fraction. Now, you can proceed to multiplication. So, the answer will be 6 over 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Do you think this is the final answer? No. By using that, we will reduce or write it in a lowest term. And we came from the answer 1 and 1/2. Paano natin nagawa iyon? Using the transformation of improper fraction to mixed number, ilang 4 meron. Okay? So, i-divide natin sa numerator divided by sa denominator will be 4. Ilang 4 meron sa 6? Meron tayong 1. Multiply it, so it will be 4. Then subtract, will be 2. And we came from the answer 1 and 2/4. So, ibig sabihin, itong 6 over 4 na to ay magiging 1 and 2/4. Okay? So, since ang fraction natin ay may common factor na 2, i-divide natin kung saan sila divisible. So, the greatest common factor ng ating numerator and denominator. So, divide both sides to the common factor, which is 2. And we came from, copy the whole number, 1, then 2, divided by 2, 1, then 4, divided by 2, 1/2. So the final answer will be 1 and 1/2. Now, simplifying before multiplying. So this is our lesson for today, which is simplifying before multiplying. For an example, this is the method that we will learn. Easy way to find the product of a fraction. So now, let's uh, simplify before multiplying. So si 2 at si 8, si 2 at saka si 8, I have a common. Sa pagsisimplify ng fraction, dapat isang numerator at isang denominator para makapag-simplify ka. So, since meron tayong common sa numerator and denominator, we will simplify it. Si 2 magiging 1 and si 8 magiging 4. So, na-simplify na natin kung sino ang meron. Then, kung ano yung kanilang common factor, sinimplify natin kung ano yung kanilang common factor. Then, we can proceed to multiplication. So, 1/7 multiply by 3/4. Then, the answer will be 3/28. So, in this case, nagsisimplify muna tayo before mag-multiply. Another example. 1/3 times 7, 1/3 times 3, 7. You can see, isang denominator at isang numerator is equal to a common factor. So, cancel natin sila. So, magiging 1/1 multiplied by 1/7 and the answer will be 1/7. So, ganyan lang kadali mag-simplify before multiplying. Okay? Another example. 5/6 times 3/5. So, simplify natin si 5. Magiging 1. Then, si 6 at saka si 3. 1 at saka 6. So, we write it. Meron tayong 1/2 multiplied by 1/1. The answer will be 1/2. So, yan yung mga process na pwede nyong gawin in simplifying before multiplying. Now, how about multiplying mixed number? Okay, to a fraction or another mixed number. For an example. Okay, so this is the process. Rename the mixed number as an improper fraction. Multiply the fraction, then simplify. In this case, kukuhanin nyo yung equivalent improper fraction ng mixed number. Then, multiply the fraction, then simplify. Okay? So, for an example, meron tayong given 1/4 multiplied by 8, 4, 9. So, using this one, this is an example of mixed number and fraction. Una natin gawin, si 1/4 kopyahin. Then, itong si mixed number, ita-translate natin sa improper. Paano ba natin makukuha ang improper? Ganito lang kung paano makuha ang equivalent fraction. Denominator, multiply a whole number, okay, the whole number, plus numerator. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Denominator, multiply by the whole number, plus numerator, all over the denominator para makuha natin ang equivalent improper fraction ng mixed number. Denominator, multiply by the whole number plus the numerator all over denominator. So, paano yan? Ano ang denominator natin? 9. Ano ang whole number natin? 8. So, simply, Magta-times tayo. So, 8 times 9 is equal to 72. Then, plus. Okay? 72 plus 4, ang sagot is 76. So, therefore, the improper fraction of 8 for 9 is 76/9. Okay? Diyan na ba tayo nagtatapos? No. We will multiply the fraction, then simplify. So, dito muna tayo sa pagmumultiply ng fraction. Okay? Using the simplifying by multiplying, anong gagawin natin? Ika-cancel natin si 4 and 76 because there are common factor which is 4. Okay? Si 4 naging 1, si 76 naging 19. So, therefore, equal sign, the answer will be, okay, I will erase it. Okay, 1 over 1, kinopya natin, then 19 over 9. Multiply. So, the answer will be 19 over 9. Because 19 over 9 is in improper fraction, we will translate it to the mixed number. So, therefore, the answer will be 2 and 1/9. So, ganyan lang ang pagmumultiply ng fraction to mixed number.